Silver has risen in value again this week, where we can see the price has formed this small bullish candle. On a Monday, could not manage to make a bullish breakout, and then on Tuesday the price formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 58.39, and then it continued to rise the value, and we can see the whole week the price has risen all the way to 44.66 and then drop it on a Friday. We can see the weekly time frame just shows us a strong bullish momentum we are currently in, and the price is rising and rising to higher price levels. So what we can expect for the next week? Well, there is a room that the price could retrace back down, but because of this strong bullish momentum, I am not sure that the price could easily move down, but I'm more inclined to see the price to the higher price levels. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has formed a strong bearish candle here yesterday, but after that we can see the price was trying to recover. So what will happen on the Monday? It's very important to see how the Monday will start. Will it manage to make a bullish breakout, close the day above this area of resistance, which is around 63, and then if that happens, this is a continuation again for the silver, for the bulls. So I'm more inclined to see the price reaching higher price levels again for the silver. Where is the end? There is still room for the price to reach higher price levels. Let's go and wait for the market to make a move on a Monday to see how the market reacts, and after that follow the market. Feel free to check the link below in the comments. It is a chat room where I share more details during the day and during the week, how the market is reacting and also what are potential moves. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.